Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna give you a little story before I do an unboxing because I unboxed this watch and I could have robbed the seller of his money. Because let me give you the brief rundown. I found this watch online, ordered it, and there's an option in my country. Uh, the courier, like FedEx, they actually work with FedEx. If you send me something with FedEx, they will deliver it to me. However, in domestic shipping, there's an option. I send you the package, and you pay the courier uh, when you receive the package. Also, there's a great option, which is I'm using that one, and you can open the package with the supervision of a courier and make sure if the item is still there. So, someone could have sent a rock to someone, or I don't know, dirt or whatnot, and you would pay and you would be screwed. However, this way they allow you to open up the package and make sure if the item's still there. And uh, I'm a good with my mailman, with my courier, and I always tip him. So he actually allows me to take a look at the item, take a look at the watch to make sure condition is satisfying, and if the thing is genuine and it's working or not within reason. But he will pretty much let me do my thing, and some other people, mainly women, when they're doing it, they won't have anything. They won't allow that for no reasons. You cannot negotiate with women. Anyways, so I negotiated the watch. I took a little bit off the price. It was a good price of the watch. He wanted to send me like that. And I said, sure, just make the tick the box where they say I can take a look at the item before I pay. And yeah, next day, courier, I get a phone call. There's a package. I go out, and I open the package to make sure the watch is okay, is in good condition as I wanted it, is everything as good, satisfying. Sure, I will pay now, and he tells me like it's a equivalent of 10 US dollars for the shipping, and I say, Excuse me, don't you mean I have to pay for the entire thing?" "No, it doesn't says anything here, sir." So he calls into his office, check it out. They can't try to call the seller because they want to help him out, and he's not answering his phone. And I try to call him, no, and I tell them basically there's nothing they could do. They delivered the package as it was written, and yeah, I will take care of that. So I took the watch at home, make sure it's everything's right, and double check everything. And I still no answer from the guy, and I text him, uh, "Please give me a ring about the watch I bought." And he says, "No, I cannot talk. I'm at work." Wah, wah, wah. And I then I tell him, and I'll tell my wife, "Check this out now. I didn't pay for the watch and I have the watch." And bam, he calls. And anyways, I some punk would have ran off with the watch, but that's not me. I would never do that, even if it was a $10,000 watch or $10 watch. I would never do that because I don't know. They say integrity is doing the right thing even when no one's watching. And I was raised um, like that. I would never do that, not in a million years, because the man only thing can have his integrity. I didn't get a thanks from this guy, by the way. I He sent me the wrong bank info. Then I had to go twice to the bank to get rid of him. He wouldn't accept PayPal or stuff like that. So but at the end, I got him paid. He never said thanks. I got a watch. I was happy, and I just want to share that little story. And this could have been the $10 tech hoarder. Yeah, I have a tech hoarder. It's a nice travel box, no proper box, but I don't care. I actually kind of like this travel box, and Da-da-da. Open the watch. Here it is. This is a nice blue. Let me show you. I had dozens of these watches, and I can do you a review, just out of the box, but that's not how I do it. Even though I had literally dozens of these, but this is a nice blue color Formula One, and like you can see, it's quartz, but it's a great watch, especially on the used market. I always say buy tag or used. And they're great value for the money. Like you can see, this is a bit newer model. This is WAZ 1010 version, 43 mil quartz, 200 meter water resistant sapphire crystal, lovely blue dial. Always had the black type Formula Ones and the popping orange hand. Or enchanted pops. That's what I meant. Nice. Everything is immaculate. I got some spare links as well. And just a great little watch for the summer, even though it's the end of the summer technically, but I love it. And I do enjoy having one quartz piece in my collection because sometimes you're just running, you don't have a time to set the correct time, especially after weekend, and I feel naked when I go home without a watch. So definitely I will do a review of this one, but I can tell you straight off the bat, just buy it used and you will do well. So that's it. Thank you for watching. EDC Gunner signing out. I hope you like this story, and do tell me if you have similar stories like this one, because this is the first time it happened to me, and this could have been a very cheap watch for me.